Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, good morning everyone, it's day 4, Sonam here, welcome back to my channel and we are going to Krabi. I'm leaving Phuket, starting my journey for Krabi. Sad for leaving Phuket, but at the same time feeling excited for my new destination, that is Krabi. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell button on the left side of the screen. Do watch this video till the end. Today I'm going to talk about how you can travel from Phuket to Krabi. There are 3 options. 1 by air, 2 by road, 3 by ferry. By the way, we opted for the third option, but we'll start from the first option, by air. You won't get the direct flight. All the flights will be via Bangkok, and as per me, I don't feel going by air is a good option because minimum time that will take to travel will be 7 to 8 hours. So this is not the good option. Second option is by road. You have 2 options, bus or taxi. Going by bus from Phuket to Krabi is the cheapest option within $5 per person, and its journey time is also almost around 2.5 hours. A taxi will cost you from $90 onwards. The Phuket to Krabi distance is 180 kilometers by road. If you have huge luggage, then by taxi is a better option. By ferry, the Phuket to Krabi ferry is a very exotic and fast way to get from one province to another. The duration of such a trip is little more than 2.5 hours, but you'll have to pay about $11 to $30 per person for that. Unfortunately, ferries are not suitable for tourists who suffer from seasickness or are traveling with large luggage. I also suffer from seasickness, but I want to explore this ferry ride. So what I did was I kept some tangy flavored toffees with me, and also I slept in the first half of my journey, and I enjoyed the second half of my journey with the scenic view. The speedboat from Phuket to Krabi goes at daytime only, and there are not many voyages per day. Its timetable is often changed. That's why it is better to check this information on the seaport website right before this trip. I hope this information will be helpful for those who are planning to travel Phuket and Krabi. If you like my video, do thumbs up, comment and share with your friends and family. So मिलते हैं next video के लिए Krabi में. Ta-da, bye bye, Shaba Khair. Thank you so much for watching my video. Yellow people.